When concrete won't budge, the Husqvarna WS48-HF wall saw steps in. It's one of the most powerful wall saws on the market. With 25 horsepower and water cooling, it cuts through concrete like a hot knife through butter. And it's lightweight at just 28 kilograms. The remote control makes the process precise and safe. The cutting depth is a remarkable 73 centimeters. The only downside is the price, $93,176. When you need to weld plastic, the Lister Weld Blast 600 steps up. This extruder is the most powerful in the company's range. With a delivery rate of 6 kilograms per hour, it won't let you down even with large details. For example, when working with fish breeding tanks. And the ability to feed welding rod from both sides makes it incredibly comfortable to use. The Weld Plus 600 sells for about $8,000. This compact sander is a real standout in the world of tools. With 13,000 revolutions per minute, it turns rough surfaces into perfectly smooth ones. The included dust collection bag keeps your workspace clean, which means no more debris on the floor or tired hands. Just hassle-free professional results. Milwaukee has made waves with the world's first cordless roll groover. It offers solid battery life up to 50 operations on a single charge and a convenient groove depth. Control that quickly adjusts to various pipe tolerances. That means professional results, no cords, no limits. The groover costs $4,000. Pipes with burrs, rust, or uneven seams. The GTB6X22 comes to the rescue. This cordless belt sander operates at speeds from 3.8 to 8.4 meters per second. It can handle both rough grinding and polishing. Stainless steel, aluminum, or copper. This sander works with a wide variety of materials. The price is $740. What if packing goods could be easier, faster, and more advanced with this cordless strapping tool that's now a reality? It offers precise adjustment to both speed and tensioning force. On top of that, the battery life is extended by 33%, allowing up to 600 strapping cycles without recharging. This tool works with different types of straps up to 1 millimeter thick. The price is $2,946. Say goodbye to tired hands and crooked seams. Say hello to the Hilti CD for a 2-2 cordless caulking gun with a pushing force of 5,000 newtons. It handles even the thickest compounds with ease. You can also work with care and precision thanks to the adjustable feed rate of 1 to 10 millimeters per second. The tool works with 310 and 600 milliliter cartridges of sealant and adhesives. The gun costs $463. The cordless torque wrenches from EGA Master are a must-have for work in tight spaces. The model on the screen delivers up to 670 Newton meters, but there are more advanced versions that reach up to 4,050 Newton meters. The battery gives you full mobility, even in remote areas, and the wide selection of reaction arms available makes it easy to find the right setup for any task. The Bench Pilot Shaper Origin milling machine reads CAD data and lets you make flexible adjustments to the workpiece using the integrated touchscreen, making joints, inlays, and other tasks become noticeably easier. But the real highlight is the Bench Pilot module. Thanks to this module, the machine can now cut automatically. The machine and module kit costs $4,800. The DP3000 Mini dumper can carry up to 300 kilograms, and thanks to its all-wheel drive, moves confidently over any terrain. The controls are simple and intuitive. 3 forward gears, 1 reverse, now that's mobility. This mini dumper costs $1,156. Imagine you need to lay a pipe or a cable, but you don't want to dig by hand because it takes too long and is uncomfortable. The Yato YT86140 solves that problem. It's a compact but powerful trencher with a 4-stroke engine generating about 12 horsepower. That's more than enough for a trench up to 60 centimeters deep. This machine can be purchased for $1,822. Steel pipes are no longer a problem. The Milwaukee cordless pipe cutter puts power directly in your hands. It can cut pipes up to 25 millimeters in diameter, and a single charge lets you make 50 cuts. You can get this pipe cutter for $399. EdgeForge, even the most ambitious projects become a reality. This compact and convenient lathe operates with micrometric precision. The spindle speed is adjustable up to 8,000 RPM. It can work with plastic, wood, metal, and other materials, and delivers consistent high-quality results. The EDG Forge sells for $449. QB03 revolutionizes the way we think about engraving. It weighs less than 200 grams, but can handle more than 100 materials, and is incredibly fast. Want to engrave a knife? You'll be done in 40 seconds. And you don't need cumbersome software, just Wi-Fi, a browser, and your creativity. QB03 is available for $750. Installing tile used to be a guessing game, but now it's an exact science thanks to the Ruby Elliott SC vacuum lifter. It can lift rough tiles up to 55 kilograms and smooth tiles up to 110. The built-in light signals if the vacuum drops somewhere. Say goodbye to worrying about dropping an expensive tile. The Ruby LLC is a steal at just $70. How good are the next generation 6 birds? Thanks to their unique design material, removal is twice as fast as with other similar tools. They're the perfect choice for finishing, heavy-duty applications, and even shipbuilding and aircraft manufacturing. The Ivan Stock EFS200 is an effective tool for removing doors and windows. It's especially useful when the frames are old, as it produces very little dust. The tool lets you cut at an angle or straight, with a depth of 1 to 7 centimeters. It's also compatible with different vacuum cleaners, making it convenient for professional use. Nails stuck in the roof, like the roots of an old oak tree. This tool will be your go-to alive. In combination with a hammer, it speeds up and eases the removal process. And thanks to its spring-tempered steel, it won't let you down in the middle of a project. It weighs 1 kilogram and is 70 cm long. The roof will surrender without a fight. This tool sells for $17. A self-leveling floor without bubbles or lumps. Finished in record time and done by a single person. That's exactly what the Levmix mixer makes possible. Even on large-scale projects, it outperforms many competitors, and it can cover 400 square meters in just 90 minutes, but that kind of performance comes at a price: $3,500.